What is up, thrifters? Today I've come out all the way into the Surrey countryside to show you one of the newest pieces we've got in stock, and certainly one of the most impressive. Founded in 1814 in London, Purdey quickly became synonymous with craftsmanship, design and quality. In the 19th century, they decided to expand their line and started making jackets, accessories, anything to do with shooting and the outdoors. Today we're going to be focusing on one of the standout pieces from the Purdey range, and it's this 2018 Purdey Balfour jacket. This has hardly been worn. It's still got the label inside. I'm one of the only people that have worn it out here, and even now I'm going to take it off almost immediately after. It's made from premium quality nubuck leather. And now nubuck leather is this kind of buttery soft touch, but very rugged leather. It's almost like suede when you touch it, but it's without the fur and fuzz of it, and it also ages perfectly. This is a real rugged jacket, and with its sleeker, more modern design, it's also as versatile as it is stylish. You could wear this easily for a shooting trip away in the Highlands as you can for a city break in New York. As there's no padding and the torso and the sleeves are slim, this is a pretty modern jacket. It's incredibly versatile. The dark chocolatey brown of it as well makes it quite lendable to pretty much anything. I've just paired it with a grey Reese jumper and some selvage denim, but this could easily be worn with a shirt and a pair of trousers as well. So these jackets are all made in their London factory with incredible care and attention. Purdey, having a name synonymous with craftsmanship and quality, they don't do anything by halves. This jacket is put together with the highest quality materials and with so much care and attention. I think it surpasses anything I've ever put on. So it's got a kind of safari jacket look to it as well. There's a few really beautiful details. The cuffs are stitched amazingly. The grain of the leather is just fantastic. It's so much depth. The buttons are just cool. They've got a little Purdey written on the side. They're kind of horn buttons, but with a kind of brushed effect to it. Very cool. The lining is a little nod to the sort of classic heritage nature of the brand, with this kind of like red silk. There's a little pocket there. There's a large sort of flat pouch pockets here full of shooting cartridges or holding your iPhone, whatever you really want. It's as functional as it is beautiful. So these are hidden front buttons as well, which also adds to that sort of more modern look to it. Overall, a very simple, very elegant, but amazingly put together piece. Now, with all the talk about quality, heritage, and just amazing materials, what is the price? So these retail new about £2,300, sometimes up to £2,500. That's a significant wedge. We have this in store now for £700. It's hardly ever been worn, it's in immaculate condition, and for that price, which is still a lot of money, of course, it's still amazing value. If you were to use this and wear this per wear, that £700 becomes very reasonable. If you're interested, act fast, because it's a one-off piece, and once it's gone, it's gone. If you have any questions, hit me up, hello@archerwoods.com, @ArcherandWoods on all the socials, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Oh, like and subscribe.